Welcome to another episode of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. In this video, let us learn almost the complete system of how to conjugate almost any verb. And having an understanding of the verbs gives you enormous advantage when you wish to learn a language. So there's an easy method using mnemonics to learn verb conjugation, and I shall explain that at the end. I'll keep this video explanation very simple and you can understand just from the slides. This forms the basis. This is very important. Verbs ending with -ke in infinitive and without -ke in infinitive, which you learned in the earlier video. You could click the link on the top right to watch that video. From the earlier video, you also learned how the -ke verb will conjugate in present and future tense and non-ke verb in present and future. So we are left with only the past tense. For theoretical learning purposes, it is better to memorize the I conjugation, the first person singular, and then it is easy to conjugate for any other personal pronoun. So we always, as a rule, take I. So in the past tense, the non-ke verb will end in the sounds na, ta, ja, da. This may look like a weird sound, but it will sound good when you say the whole verb. So let us see them first. Let us first take the non-ke verbs ending in the sound na in past tense. paadE, sing, ode, run, thAedE, to search, and moodE, to close. And if we take paadE, it becomes paadNNE. The present and future is something you already learned and it is easily understood also from the table. So we'll look at only past tense, like paadE, paadNNE, ode, odeNNE, thAedE, thAedENNE, and moodE is moodNNE. Non-ke verbs ending in te sound. kooppidE, to call, kooppidE. And now you know how the other two verbs end. saappidE, saappidE, and vidE, vidE. Non-ke verb with the ending njE in past tense. seiyyE, to do, seiyyE. But now you know how to do for vRE, saaye. But there is also something else for you to notice, which is not very important, but if you are very attention to detail type, sometimes the sound of the verbs will give you a clue on how it will end. It is not always the case, but most of the time. Now listen. seiyyE, vRE, saaye, they become seiyyE, vRE, saayE. Now you get it. Now let us see the non-ke verb with the ending the. nagare, to move, nagandhe. And now you can do for the other things. Now let us see the ke verb which has just 3 endings. The ending. irukke, to be, or to be present. That is irundhe. And now you can do for parakka, that becomes parandhe, therakka, therandhe. Now ke verb ending in che. adikkE, to beat, adikkE. jyikkE becomes jyikkE. kamikkE, kamikkE. Verb with the in past tense. Edukke, to take, eduthe. Paakke, to see, that becomes paathe. ThoongE, to lose or to get defeated, thoongE. Now coming to the mnemonics, this is only for people who wish to have a trick to remember things. I do it for conjugation for foreign languages, at least in the initial stage. Imagine this person as verb, his name is Chan, like Jackie Chan. You have to connect all the Chan sounding past tense verbs to him. Imagine he's the one doing this set of actions. Chan is the one who is doing reading, catching, acting, biting, that is padiche, podiche, nadikkE, kadikkE. Now you get it. Likewise, you have to connect different actions with particular sound to different people. You have to let your imagination fly and get creative. The more funny, the better you will remember. So friends, your lessons are almost over about the verbs, and what we are going to see in 177 is for the personal pronoun it. It is a little unique and it's going to be a very short video, you'll enjoy it. And afterwards in 178 I can give you a supplementary on some of the exceptions. But generally speaking, this 176th video, that is this video, your learning of verbs are almost over. So you can go on to enjoy, speak, make a little mistake, that's fine, but speak, please.